Welcome to our updated guide on how to prevent Telegram from accessing your media. Let's take control of your privacy by following these simple steps. Begin by opening the Settings app on your device. It's the gateway to managing your app permissions. Scroll down and locate the section for Apps or Application Manager, which may vary slightly depending on the device you're using. Next, find and select Telegram from the list of apps displayed on your screen. This is where you'll be able to customize Telegram's access to your files and media. Once you've selected Telegram, tap on Permissions. This is a crucial step in controlling what Telegram can and cannot access on your device. Within the permissions settings, you'll see various options. Look for the switch next to Files and Media or Storage. Toggle this switch on to allow Telegram to access your files if it's necessary for your usage. However, if you wish to prevent Telegram from accessing your media, simply select Don't Allow. By doing so, you're restricting Telegram's access to your files and ensuring your privacy and data security. Taking these steps empowers you to manage how Telegram interacts with your media content, giving you peace of mind and control over your personal information. Stay tuned for more insightful tips on optimizing your app settings and enhancing your digital privacy.